Here's a 2016 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, USB port, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.